Where were you before you know smoothies existed? These meals in a cup can get a bad rep for their high sugar contents and weak macros. But when blended right, you can make your smoothie work for whatever your health goals. Before we get into those, let's chat about weight loss for a minute. A perfect smoothie will not magically make you lose weight. In fact, no one thing is going to do that, at least not in a healthy or sustainable way. If you want to lose weight, you have to also address a range of other factors that play important roles: sleep, stress, hormones, and other medical issues. To name a few biggies, only looking at weight loss for a holistic point of view, you can really home in on a healthy goals, effective, meaningful changes, and see sustainable result. For some people, weight loss and for itself might not be a healthy goal. If you have a history of disordered eating, and you should consult a doctor before making any changes to your diet. Now, whether you are looking for nighttime healthy fruit and vegetable smoothie recipe for weight loss, watch this video and dust off that blender. For this nighttime smoothie, you will need milk. We know that milk is a rich source of calcium. Calcium is the driving factor of the fat metabolism, which ultimately leads to fat loss. Researchers at the University of Tennessee and Knoxville have found that the more calcium a fat cells contains, the more fat it burns. Milk also contains a hunger-fighting hormone called the peptide that keeps you full for longer. Milk is also low in calories and rich in protein. Over revamped milk quite requires you to consume healthy food like veggies, fruits, proteins, complex carbs, and healthy fats. These foods contain the other nutrients lacking in milk and will help you lose weight without compromising on your health. Since you need to burn the calories you consume to lose weight, you need to work out it will step on your fat loss and help you build lean muscle mass. Add about a cup of milk to the blender. The next thing you will need fresh spinach leaves. Spinach or pollock or the humble green veggies may help you in your weight loss journey. Low in calories and packed with the goodness of vitamins and minerals. Spinach contains high content of fiber and water which can help facilitate weight loss. Just add few leaves of spinach to it. The next magical ingredient of this nighttime smoothie is flaxseed powder. Flax seeds are rich in protein, so when you consume a teaspoon of flaxseed along with dietary fiber, the protein content suppresses your appetite. This prevents you from overeating, thereby helping you in losing weight. Flax seeds are low in starch and sugar, hence they are not high in calories. If you are pregnant, then don't use flaxseed powder. I'm adding a teaspoon of flaxseed powder to it. The last ingredient is banana. Banana contains fiber and resistant starch which support weight loss. They are also a nutritious, low energy density food which is good for dropping pounds, and they don't live up to their once bad reputation for being a diet wrecking food to avoid. All you have to do is to put a ripe banana to it and blend all ingredients. This combination of ingredients is sure to kickstart sleepy metabolism, packed with fiber, water and protein and tons of nutrient proven to aid with weight loss. Drink it 30 minutes before you sleep. If you love this recipe, then share it on social media and never forget to subscribe this channel for more amazing content in the future. Thank you so much.